Envision a sickness that transforms creatures into walking apparitions, a malady that decays their minds, erases all fear, and spreads with astonishing rapidity. This is not fictional horror. This exists. It's chronic wasting disease, and its expansion across the globe is happening at this very instant. If that opening sequence caused you unease, that's understandable. This is a critical situation, and we must discuss it. If you wish to remain informed about vital topics such as this, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support significantly aids this channel and ensures you receive the most current information. Today, we will examine the alarming proliferation of chronic wasting disease, or CWD, frequently referred to as diseased cervid syndrome. As documented by news sources, this destructive illness is no longer a localized issue. It is becoming a worldwide threat. To give some background, CWD stands for chronic wasting disease, a fatal, contagious neurological disease affecting deer, elk, moose, and other cervids caused by misfolded proteins called prions. Here's a more detailed explanation. CWD is a transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, TSE, a group of diseases characterized by brain damage and sponge-like holes in the brain tissue. It's caused by prions, which are misfolded versions of a normal protein that can cause damage to the brain and central nervous system. This means it's a prion-based disorder triggered by malformed proteins that inflict damage upon the neurological systems of affected animals, primarily deer, elk, moose, and caribou. The observable effects are deeply concerning: extreme weight loss, unsteadiness, excessive salivation, impaired coordination, and a vacant, almost lifeless expression. It results in a gradual, painful demise. It's believed that CWD spreads through direct contact between infected and susceptible animals, as well as through environmental contamination of soil, food, and water with prions. The problem is especially prevalent. According to governmental tracking, CWD has been detected in free-ranging cervids in 36 US states and 4 Canadian provinces, as well as in captive cervid facilities in 22 states and 3 provinces. Furthermore, it's not limited to North America. Cases have been detected in Norway, South Korea, and other areas, demonstrating a truly global distribution. Now, the following is of great importance. While there is no conclusive evidence of CWD infecting humans, health organizations are advocating for heightened awareness. They advise against consuming flesh from CWD-affected animals and recommend exercising caution when interacting with cervids. This is a serious matter, and we must treat it accordingly. There is currently no known cure or vaccine for CWD. The consequences of this disease are substantial. It jeopardizes wildlife populations, hunting activities, and potentially our own well-being.